Good evening, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo word of the day is going to be vaccine. Now, this is one of those words where you can say it several ways, and it's also not a short word. So the first way you can say this word is nashni bitsa ze. Nashni bitsa ze. So to break this down, nashni is disease. Bitsa means away from, like it protects you from disease, and azeh, which is medicine. So collectively it is nashni bitsa azeh. Another way you can say it is nashni bitcha azeh. Nashni bitcha azeh. Bitcha means it's protection from, like a shield. Bitcha, like there's something between you and the disease. Nashni bitcha azeh. So the medication protects you from the disease. So to use this phrase in a sentence, you can say, I want to get vaccinated. You can say, nashni bitsa azeh bilsha idot sihinsen. Nashni bitsa azeh bilsha idot sihinsen, which means I want to get a vaccination. Now, if you want to get more specific and say what type of specific vaccine you want, all you have to do is change the phrase from nashni, which is disease, to the specific name of the disease. For example, if you want to get the COVID-19 vaccine, you would say, "De kosensai nahast AIDS ada bitsaze bilsha edot sihinsen." Bilsha edot sihinsen. I want to get the COVID-19 vaccine. Now, if you are a healthcare worker and you want to ask somebody if they want to get the COVID-19 vaccine, what you would say is, "De kosensai nahast AIDS ada bitsaze bilsha edot sihish ninzin." The kosensai nahast AIDS ada bitsaze bilsha edot sihish ninzin. Do you want to get the COVID-19 vaccine? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave it in the comments. If you don't have any other questions, have a good evening.